In this video, I'm going to show you how to create auto captions on Capcut using the application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Capcut and click on a new project, or you can continue with our current project to add caption. So I'm just going to click on new project, and from here, I'm just going to choose a video I done earlier. So I'm going to choose this video here. Now I'm going to add that like so. So this is a screen recording I just done earlier. Now in order to add in auto captions, what you want to do is click on the video. Click into the blank space, and then you want to add text. So click on text, and then you want to click on auto captions. And now we want to generate from the video, and we've got some templates we can use here. So some of these, or majority of these, are behind a paywall, so you need to have Capcut Pro. If you don't have Capcut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below so you can try a free 7-day trial with Capcut Pro. So if I want to use, say, this caption, I can click on this one and then click generate. And now this is gonna load these captions into this video, so I'll wait for this to finish generating. Once that is done, I'll press play and I'll show you how it looks. All right, it's finished. Now I'm going to press play. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Capcut using the application on your mobile device. Yep, looks pretty neat. So once you like your auto captions, you can play around with the free versions or Capcut or the Pro. Just go ahead and export your video and upload that to where you need to upload.